the bird is trying to get a marshmallow that's inside. Oh my goodness, it keeps banging its head against the window. It's a little blue bird. I think he's gonna have a concussion. Oh my goodness. Oh, now it's over here. I think it's just not thinking right. Is it gone? No, it's right there. What is it doing? It's not scared of anything. It's right there. Is it gone? Nope. Wow. That bird is stupid. What the crap? It keeps banging its head against the window. I don't know what it could possibly want that bad. Oh. Well, hello YouTube, it's me, Nicholas. I just thought I'd post this because it's pretty funny. Ooh.
So stupid.
That's gotta hurt. I think it just wants away from the windy day. I don't know. I've never seen anything like it. There it goes again. Oh my goodness.
The bird's trying to get in the window.
It just wants inside. This is not your house.
I think it's trying to get a marshmallow that we shot with our marshmallow guns. And it accidentally landed up there.
No, because it's trying to come up the window. Well, I think it's gone now. Oh,
Nope.
no, it's not. It just got a head start. Can you believe this?
Let's try to go up here and see if we can see.
Oh,
it get
oh
that.
my goodness.
Can we get it? See the head start?
Oh, there it goes again.
Bad
I think there's just something wrong with this bird, guys. I've never seen anything like that.
We're both thinking the same thing.
Oh my. Oh, there it goes again.
Again with CP Minecraft related.
Ooh.
Well, should be now CP Minecraft bird man. I guess. It's so funny.
Okay, well, I don't know if this is going to get any funnier, but that's basically what I found this morning
I want to see it pass out.
on what a bird is doing. It's just banging its head against our window. At first we thought it was someone banging their shoes outside. Evidently that's not the case. I'll just show the, oh. I really think it really I think it really wants inside. Should we let it in through the door?
Yes, we should.
Let's go see if we can get a different view here. Oh, it's gone now. It'll probably come back. Well, anyway, that is what I found this morning. Oh, here it comes, here it comes. Head start, head start. Nope. Well, anyways, that's what I found this morning. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I did. I'll see you next time.